First morning, no fire. You're so okay. The pretty lady.
Can't be bothered.
Nope.
No fire. Twice in a row.
It's okay. We're making it through.
Tried really hard.
But we have to Coleman.
Yes, praise Jesus.
We're good. That's a thumbs up. You can't really tell. Yay!
Yum, that smells promising. Cheers. I keep hearing like horns or something from town.
Yeah. It's the trumpets! They're coming! Shoot, if it's the trumpets, that means we're gonna go up to heaven soon.
Yeah, we won't be smelling like this anymore.
Da 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 da, heavenly party. Da 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 da. I don't know the rest of the words.
Okay.
Does it smell good? Sorry, my lips totally just like touched that whole thing. It smells good.
I think I spilled a little bit.
That's okay.
We
got the coffee, the bacon, Emily,
me,
and Suki,
and me. I don't know what you're looking at. Cheers. Wait, let me.
Oh, the big stretch. Oh, so pretty.
How do you want 2? 3?
Not 3.
Okay.
3 too much, I think. Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. It does look good. Okay, you gonna film this part? I don't know how well I'm gonna flip it.
No, you got it. I believe in you.
I could separate them.
Nice.
That worked though.
Use your resources.
Oh, I should have done a slotted spoon because it's so greasy.
That's okay. Nice.
They're like truly fried.
Yeah.
I've had them like this though before. They're good.
No, like that's gonna be really tasty.
And then salt and pepper. We did it.
Yay!
Okay? Okay, yeah.
In full gear.
Yes,
Switch the shoes. Sorry. I'll follow you. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm your groupie. Oh. Oh, this is cool. Here you go. Whoa.
They're not very grippy, are they?
They are, I'm just clumsy.
Oh.
I didn't like that.
She never drinks as much, I think.
Come on, Suki. Suki.
Get the molasses. A sight for sore eyes.
Oh, so thirsty.
She sure is. You better not walk or not this down. Come back. This way. I got water. Cheers. Cheers. We did it. Oh, it is upside down. Kind of freaky looking. Yeah. Suki, come. So I'm getting a video. I feel a little like iCarly right now. I never walk over. Celebrity spotlight from. Okay. Rate the hike. Out of 5 or 10? Out of 10. 7 out of 10? 7. Only because of my shoes. Yeah, okay. I'd give it 7 because it's like a good amount of difficulty. And but I could have dealt with more. I don't know. It's not the best. Not as good as Limbo really was. I don't know. Well, Suki, come back. Oh, she knocked it down. I knew she was going to do it. Here you go, honey. Have some water. Cheers. I'm trying to give you some. I just gave you some.
So cool. Oops. Please don't be cracked. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, he needs a name.
I'm thinking Terry.
Terry it is. Can we take him home?
No.
Please? I want to pet him.
I don't think Suki would ever trust me again if I brought that turtle home.
Can I at least get you off of the road? Don't give me salmonella. On tonight's episode of Ninja Warrior. Just kidding, I've never seen it.
It's nothing like this.
We've got a massive plank, a massive plank of very hard wood, very difficult to split, takes at least 400 pounds of pressure, and a very dull blade here. Gonna require lots of muscle to make that work, but luckily, we got Beef Wagner. Well, let's see what she's got. Wow, and just like that. Just like that. Actually, I felt the ground shake. Wow.
They call me Wild Thing for a reason.
Wild Thing? Boom! Okay, time to zoom. He looks like, he looks a little like a blobfish.
A blobfish?
In a great way.
That is not a
I'm sorry. Going in again. Wow, she's like incredibly jacked. The Axiomatic 3000 for your household.
$10.99. Buy one, get one. Okay, more wood. This one looks like nice. That's a piece of wood right there.
I was zoomed on your butt for that the whole thing. Okay, let's get Suki. Hey, honey.
No!
No! Sook! Ooh, she's so cute, so precious. There's our fire pit. Haven't used it yet, so. They split all that wood. Look how clean she splits wood. Wow.
I know, I did this
Look at that.
first try.
Perfectly split.
First try.
Just amazing. I mean, a God-given talent. I'm just going to zoom in on random stuff now.
Go for it.
A moment of silence for the Yeti. Suki wants them dogs to come back and play with her. Into the fire pit. Oh.
Welcome to another episode of Survivor. An American show, even though I'm talking in a British accent. Here we are. It's the fire making challenge, the final two. Oh no! Emily starts choking out! Suki's gonna win the fire making challenge! Hello? Are you working? Oh, there's a bright light.
Have you made a husband list? Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to. Do you think Steve Jobs is alive? I love splitting dry wood. I'm a pure right dick ass right in half. I'm done. It hurts my body. You know, they say smoke follows the ugly. I got big fire. What is going on? I hit my blister. Hot big. Sound like Spinner. I know how to say three little monkeys in French. Do it. Trois, trois, petits That's it. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed is what I just said. To the chair, nothing. No, not. My picture's sweating, it's hard. Well, stop. Pero en España, zeta. Pero países otros, no, zeta. Me gusta. No me gusta. No te gusta. What's your favorite Spanish word? Ahora me encanta ensalada, no sé por qué, pero ensalada es divertido. ¿Y tú? Oh, I don't remember. Oh gosh, I don't know. I have to check on
The s'more is giant. I'm gonna eat it. Yummy. Ah! Okay. Bye-bye. Last morning. Everything is packed. What do you rate it, the camping trip, out of 10?
Oh, I'm gonna give it 8.
8? That's
Use
solid.
more bird song. Could use more potable water.
Yeah.
Feel good.
Yeah, no, that was good rating.
How about
I give it a solid 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
My first official camping trip.
Yeah.
I can't complain. It was really fun. It didn't rain, and we did eventually get a fire.
Yes.
So.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. So I was gonna go to 8.5 because I've always wanted to play guitar around the fire.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna dock that point back, that half point back off because we didn't get a fire the first 2 tries.
Yeah. That's okay though. We got it in the end.
Make it or break it.
It really is. But I give it a solid 9.
Yeah, nice.
We may do without the fire the first 2 times because of the Coleman. The Coleman. One last look.
It's really beautiful down here. Maybe
It really
we should
is.
get a little shot of the creek.
We should. There's the creek. Through the trees. You can't really see it. Oh no, it's too bright. Hello? Hello?
Try over here.
Well?
Oh, now I can.
That's alright.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's so bright, it's literally just white.
Oh, geez.